With a successful prosecution of the Trump Organization in the books, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is giving every indication his office may go after Donald Trump on new charges, according to former U.S. Attorney Barbara McQuade. During an appearance on MSNBC's The Katie Fain Show, the former prosecutor said the successful prosecution of the former president's signature company that led to guilty verdicts on 17 felony charges may open the door to more investigations and criminal charges now that Trump's company has been on the receiving end of a major court loss. According to host Fain and McQuade, Bragg all but announced more charges in his comments about the recent guilty verdicts. Let's talk about the Trump Organization, found guilty by all 17 counts. He was disappointed but will appeal, but he always says that, blah, 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 Fain explained. Alvin Bragg says his investigation is still ongoing and he sees the Trump Organization case, quote, one chapter in the book for what his team is working on. What does this conviction of the Trump Organization, the company itself, say to you? I think it says that Donald Trump is not impervious to prosecution, and he once famously said he could stand in the middle of Fifth Avenue and shoot someone and it won't make a difference. I think that this shows that that is not true, that there is accountability even for Donald Trump, the legal analyst replied. Although this was his organization, not him individually as a defendant, there was evidence that Donald Trump himself was involved in writing checks and approving the memos that were involved in this tax scheme, she elaborated. Donald Trump sanctioned tax fraud, that is what the evidence showed. It was interesting to hear Alvin Bragg say that, she suggested. It sounds like he is feeling emboldened to take the next step and see whether or not they can prove other kinds of business fraud, including charges against Donald Trump himself.